There's a content goldmine sitting in most businesses right now. And from what I see working with clients, majority of business owners are completely ignoring it. If you got a podcast, a YouTube channel, or even just a few recorded webinars or presentations you have done, you are sitting on something very valuable. But here's the thing, you are probably only tapping on like 10% of what it can actually do for you and your business. So today I want to walk you through exactly what this goldmine is and why it might be the most overlooked marketing asset in your entire business. What I noticed a lot is this. Business owners will spend hours recording a podcast episode or filming a YouTube video. Hit publish and then that's it. They are done. Moving on to the next thing. But when you really think about it, there's so much packed into that one piece of content. Stories you told, examples you shared, those teaching moments, even those random off-the-cuff comments that make it sound super relatable. Any of those could easily become a short video clip, a carousel post, a quote graphic, whatever. But most people just let all that sit there. They put in all this work, creating something really valuable, and then it just gets buried in the feed. They are completely ignoring the goal line that they just create. So let me ask you something. How many podcast episodes or videos do you already have just sitting there that you only used once? Because that right there, that's your content goldmine, just waiting for you to actually use it. And honestly, I wish I would started this way sooner. I used to be that person that switched content strategies every time I heard about something new that supposedly converted better. Never stuck with anything long enough to actually see results. This approach, it actually makes sense because you are not constantly starting from scratch. And I know it works because I have watched huge creators who have figured out this goldmine and they are absolutely killing it with it. Think about Gary Vee. The guy is constantly pulling clips from his longer stuff. Or Alex Hormones. He is basically famous for taking one long video and turning it into like 30 plus pieces of content across all the platforms. He will take one interview or webinar and slice it into short clips, quote posts, carousels. He's literally mining every single valuable moment from that original piece. These creators get it. They understand that one solid piece of long-form content is like having a content goldmine. You just have to actually mine it properly. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. Every YouTube video I post is going to become carousel, single post, short-form clips for YouTube Shorts and Instagram. I could probably expand on LinkedIn too, but that's not where I'm focusing right now. Here's what I realized. When you create one really strong piece of content, everything else just gets easier. You are not just sitting there every week like, what I'm going to post. You are not trying to figure out what your voice should sound like. You already have this authentic, valuable source of content that represents you perfectly. You are just giving it different forms so more people can actually see it. And when you start thinking about it this way, content creation stops being, oh God, what do I post today? And becomes, okay, how can I share this message in a few different ways? So here's why long-form content is such a valuable goldmine. First, it builds trust like nothing else. When someone spends 10, 20, even 30 minutes listening to you or watching you, they start feeling like they actually know you. A 50-second reel just can't do that on its own. Think about it. Have you ever felt like you knew a podcast host even though you never actually met them? That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's the power of long-form content. Second, you get to go deep. Long-form content lets you explain the why and the how. Tell actual stories, share real examples. Like in a 10-minute video, you can walk someone through your entire process. Something that will be impossible to fit into a carousel or a caption. I mean, technically, you could try, but it will be super hard to read and honestly pretty boring. That depth is what makes people see you as someone who actually knows what they are talking about. And third, the mining potential is insane. One video or podcast episode can literally fuel weeks of content across all your platforms. You can turn it into carousels that break down your key points, single posts with your best quotes, infographics, and both of those are savable content and even great for posting, which is something hot on Instagram right now. And these are metrics that you should care about. Plus, you can pull short clips from your most engaging moments. And don't get me wrong, short form content is amazing for getting discovered. But long form, that's where people actually decide if they trust you. And that's what it makes it pure gold. Here's some data that really backs this up. Buzzsprout found that 80% of podcast listeners actually listen to all or most of every episode they start. We are talking 20 minutes or more. That kind of attention, you are just not getting that on social media. And it's exactly what builds real connection and trust. But here's the thing, not everyone is ready to commit to a 20 minutes video or podcast episodes right off the bat. And that's where mining your content goldmine becomes so important. When you break down your long form content into smaller clips, you are giving people the easy way in. They get a quick taste of your ideas, and if it clicks with them, that's when they will actually go check out your longer content. Now let me show you exactly how to mine this goldmine with a quick example. Let's say you record a 15-minute YouTube video where you share 3 ways to save time in your business. That one video, it's already building trust because people are hearing how you actually think through problems. But the goldmine doesn't stop there. Each of those 3 tips, they can become their own short clip for Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, wherever you want to post them. You could also turn them into carousel posts. Maybe one carousel for each tip, or even one big carousel that covers all 3 together. If you are on X, those same tips could become a thread. And don't forget about all those quotable moments that you probably had. Those can go out as standalone posts on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. So just from that one video, you suddenly have at least 9 completely different pieces of content. And they are all pointing people back to the original piece. And that right there, that's the goldmine that most business owners are completely ignoring. So here's the bottom line. Stop ignoring your content goldmine. Whether you've got a podcast you have been running for years or a YouTube channel with just a few videos, you already have this marketing asset that could be working so much harder for you. And honestly, don't underestimate what even just one long form video a month could do for you and your business. When you actually mine it the right way, you are not just randomly filling up your feed. You are creating the whole ecosystem of content that connects with people, keeps them engaged, and builds real trust. So the question is, are you going to keep ignoring this gold mine you are sitting on? Or are you ready to start mining it for everything it's actually worth? If you want to start creating long-form content, amazing. But if you already have it, focus on actually mining it. Turn it into posts, clips, and carousels so that one piece fuels your entire presence. And I would love to know, do you already have this gold mine in your business or are you just getting started? Drop a comment and let me know. I'll be tailoring future videos to help you with both sides.